Veteran politician Shri has urged the governor to quash the proceedings of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly that lasted for a minuscule 10 minutes, stating that the 10-minute session was nothing but an embarrassment to the parliamentary system and more particularly to the women of Manipur, to the people of Manipur. He added that during the session, the Honorable CM of Manipur offered congratulatory statements with regard to the successful landing of ISRO's Chandrayaan-3, which is highly contradictory to the businesses of an assembly. Addressing media persons at his Kokta residence, former Law Minister Shri says that in the recent monsoon session of the parliament, the MPs of the state were not allowed to speak on the issue of Manipur crisis, and in the like manner, no MLAs of the ruling were allowed to speak in the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly.
Minister R.K. Ranjanna, Manipuri law and order totally fail where I do. Mantina law and order fail where you hire war. Are BJP was Saka? I see my Amhina, MLA Terenva Tara Salaga, Reda, Karihiro, BJP losing Masaka, totally public officials like Layabo. A quick Narang, Nimjaki, Jen Naguna, Yaquab Chitida Pare, Ma Riva, Nimjaki, Jen. Man, she the Falici, appoint Canada, Manipur Lager, Assembly Yakanda, Amazon A family shape with it. Assembly Pambadas, Mantina shape with the Canadi shape with Bazadi shape with a bro, Manti shape with the Waifata, Manti shape with the government, but the other government to lay abro. President will follow one that you can and all. You may BJP Sarkar, Sarkana, Manipur, she Tugaino on the bribe here. I hung question. I got to go. It is quite questionable to the BJP leader at the center as well as in the state. Noi Manipur she Tugai never on the river. Hangi, no Manipur Tugai never on the river. Who Manipur Tugai Bagi at the end of Halo Eratana. I could give. I don't know. I could give Maran Mayam the Kupsan the boy. We